Hello everyone and welcome to Ciscs Hardware. Today I'll be showing you how to update your drivers. If your computer is slow and parts of it aren't working as they should, like you can't play certain games, or your computer isn't running as fast as it should be, or your audio keeps cutting out and it won't play, then your drivers might need to be updated. But if you don't know what drivers you have on your computer, you won't know how to update them. And if you do know what drivers are on your computer, then there are hidden drivers that you might not know about that do need to be updated that can be affecting your performance of your computer. Also, this is a good thing to do if you have just reformatted or restored your computer. That way you can get everything back up and running. So what we're going to do is we're going to download the program called Driver Booster 2 by iObit. So just go ahead and open up a browser, go to iObit's website. So just go up to the URL bar and type in iobit.com. And well, as you can see here, they have it advertised right at the top because they just newly updated it. But if it is not there by the time you see this video, you can always scroll down and it should be one of their 4 main ones. If it is not, then just go up here to Products and it'll be right here under Performance Products. So what you're going to do is just go ahead and click Free Download. It is a free program. It's going to bring you to CNET. And then just click Download Now. And then we're just going to wait for it to download. So you're going to want to save the file. And then once it's saved, you're going to want to launch the exe. Then you're going to want to run it. There we go. You're going to want to go ahead and click Next. Accept the license agreement. Next, it'll automatically save it to the folder. I'm actually going to save it to a different folder at the moment because I already have a beta version of this installed already. There we go. And you can unclick the pin icon to taskbar and you can just keep it as a desktop icon. Then you go ahead and click Next and it will install your software. And you can just go ahead and launch it. So as you can see, it'll make a little icon. Then you can just double click it. So then, once it launches, you're going to see this. It's going to scan through your entire computer for every single driver that is on it. It'll also tell you your driver performance. You can stop it at any time. So we're just going to go ahead and wait for it to finish. Now as you can see, there are a lot more drivers than you may have initially thought. For those of you that know how to update your drivers. So then as you can see here, it'll give you 2 different sections, your outdated drivers and your up-to-date drivers. So as you can see, there's a lot more drivers than you may have initially thought on your computer. But if these drivers, if drivers are up to date, it'll just get a good check mark, and it won't ask you to update it. But for those that are outdated, it will then display all of them for you. As you can see here, it'll also put them into categories: device drivers, gaming components, etc., and other things, if your computer needs it. It'll also tell you that it needs attention. It'll tell you how many outdated drivers there are, etc. Now, you can either update them individually by clicking each one, or you can go up to each section and click the top left-hand box, and that'll automatically select all of them, and then you can update all at the same time. If you want to learn more about the driver, then you can just click the little arrow and click Details. You can uninstall the driver if you need to. But unless you know what specifically you're doing for rollback or ignoring, then I wouldn't click on that. And then it'll also tell you in the middle exactly on a scale of good to very bad. Basically good being it doesn't need to be updated, and then bad, worst, and very bad tells you it does not specifically tell you, but it will give you a general idea of just about how outdated your driver is. So as you can see here, I have 2 device drivers and 5 gaming drivers that I have not updated yet, including Adobe, Java, and my graphics card and my audio. So as you can see, my audio is very bad, so I haven't updated it in a while. Once you take a look at all of your drivers, if you wanted to see them, then just either batch install them or individually install them, and then just go up and click the big red button that says Update All, and it will then go ahead and install all of your drivers automatically for you. You can choose silent installation if you want, so it'll run in the background and not disturb what else you're doing, or you can have it to automatically reboot or shut down your computer once it is done, if you would like, or if some of the drivers need to be. Now, as you can see here, the drivers that I am updating, I won't need to restart my computer for, so I won't do that. But it may take some time, depending on how outdated the driver is, but then once it is done, your computer should be working as it should. Everything should be working. It should be faster. If you are having trouble with games, videos, or audio, they should be working. As you can see here, I'm updating my games, visual, and audio's drivers right now, and there shouldn't be any more problem. So as you can see, it may take some time to install. I won't have you guys wait around for that, but thank you for watching. If you have any more questions or concerns, please don't be afraid to leave them in the comments or send us an email at thehardware201@gmail.com, and we will happily answer any of your questions or help you out if you need. Please like us on Facebook, and you can visit our blog, cishardware.blogspot.com.